Boating crash on Lake George last week tragically resulted in the death of 8-year-old Charlotte McCue and left her mother seriously hurt. Authorities say the boat that hit the family fled the scene. Here to help us examine the issue is managing attorney Dan Dagostino from the law firm Martin, Harding and Mazzotti. Thank you for being here, Dan.
Thanks for having me.
Dan, first off, what are boat operators required to do under New York law in case of a boat crash?
Well, in the event of a boat crash, the laws are actually similar to motor vehicle accidents. If you're involved in an accident that involves property damage or damage to someone personally, you have to report it and exchange insurance information.
Okay, in this case, it is still unknown if the driver was intoxicated at the time of the crash. A toxicology test was done, but those results are not back yet. We do know, though, that in this case, about 12 hours went by between the time of the crash and the time the suspect in the case showed up to the sheriff's department. I'm wondering, can a toxicology test pick up drugs or alcohol in the blood when that many hours have gone by? Well,
you know, it will pick up some trace of alcohol or drugs. However, it makes the police job much more difficult because the amount of toxicity decreases dramatically.
And would a test like that, after that many hours, hold up at all in a court case?
Well, you know, they could potentially try to use it, but essentially the argument is so much time passed that how valid is it?
Okay, and lastly, is it legal to consume alcohol on a boat here in New York?
Well, surprisingly it is. Different than, you know, laws involving motor vehicles. You can have open containers. However, you know, if you're the operator of the boat and you're drinking, the same DWI laws apply where you can get boating while intoxicated, which, you know, carries the same, penalties as it would driving while intoxicated.
Being that it's summer and a lot of people are out on the lake, it's good to get a refresher on these. Thank
Absolutely.
you so much.
Yeah, thank you for having me.